Welcome to JSRK Science class. The chapter is chapter 4, materials, metals and non-metals. Keywords we are going to study. First keyword is atom. An atom is the smallest particle of a matter which may or may not exist independently. Means they generally do not exist independently. They react with other atoms to form molecules. Atoms retains the chemical property of elements. So atoms may exist independently, may not exist independently. Next keyword is conductor. The materials which allow heat and electricity to pass through it are called conductors. Means these materials allow heat and electricity can pass through it. The example is metals such as silver, copper, aluminum, etc. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. The next keyword is displacement reaction. The reaction in which a more reactive metal replaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. Example, as zinc is more reactive than copper, so it replaces copper from copper sulfate solution and form zinc sulfate, and copper is displaced from it, and this is displacement reaction. Next keyword, that is fourth one, that is ductility. The property of metals by which they can be drawn into thin wires is called ductility. Means metals can be drawn into thin wire, and because of this property metals are said to be ductile. The next keyword, that is fifth one, is elements. The substances which are made up of only one type of atoms are called elements. Total number of elements is 118, out of which 92 are natural. Example, silver, copper, oxygen and many more. Means they are 118. So anyone can be written in the example. These are the elements. Next keyword is hardness. The ability of a material to resist deformation, indentation or penetration is called hardness of the material. Because of this ability, when metals strike to a hard object, dent do not form in that, and penetration is also difficult. Metals are generally hard. Malleability. The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is known as malleability. Means metals after beating they do not break, they change into sheet. Metals are malleable, that's why metals are said that they are malleable. Next keyword is, that is eighth one, metals. The elements which are typically hard, lustrous means they have shine, malleable means they can be beaten into thin sheet, ductile they can be drawn into thin wire, sonorous means they produce ringing sound, and good conductor of heat and electricity means they allow heat and electricity to pass through it and form positive ions by losing electrons are called metals. Example, iron, copper, sodium, etc. So these are the metals. The next keyword is, that is ninth one, the metalloids. The elements having the property of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. Means metalloids have some property of metals, some property of non-metals. Example, arsenic, boron, silicon, germanium. So these are the metalloids which have a property of both metals and non-metals. Next keyword is, that is 10th one, that is non-metals. The elements which lack the physical property of metals and form negative ions by gaining electrons are called non-metals. The non-metals lack the physical property means neither they are malleable nor sonorous, neither they allow heat and electricity to pass through it. So example of non-metal is sulfur, bromine, oxygen. These are the non-metals. Next is sonorous. The material which produce ringing sound when they are struck with a hard object are called sonorous. Example, metals such as iron, copper, silver, etc. are sonorous. That's why whatever bell, etc. are there, they are made up of metals because they produce ringing sound and this property is called sonority. Now subscribe the channel for new videos. Thanks for watching.